So I have a Jacuzzi tub here that has a motor that would not start. It would hum, but it wouldn't actually start. And I came up with a solution I think is worth it passing around to see if it helps anybody else. So what I ended up doing was filling the tub up to above the pump suction, which is this part right down there. That's the pump suction. And I filled it about probably 2 or 3 inches above that level, so I made sure it had a good net positive suction head. And then the second thing I did within was take a plunger and hold that plunger over that suction and plunge water into it. So since the pump is not actually turning, there's no water being sucked into it. That's why it's hummed, it's effectively stalled. And taking the plunger and pushing it and forcing water through the pump is effectively jump starting the pump. It adds a little torque to the pump to get it to turn over. And I had to do it 3 or 4 hard times before it finally did it, but actually did it, kicked over. And that's far easier than trying to remove the panel and get access to it, especially on this tub where the panel is, has been caulked in and kind of hard to get to. And so anyway, that's a tip you might want to take advantage of.